Hi there, welcome back to French Shaves. It's, what day is it? It's Monday. It's time for another shave. It's still really hot here. It's a little bit better today than yesterday, but still really hot and nice summer weather, so we're sticking with menthol or cold soaps. Tonight I'm gonna use a Swedish soap. This is Laugar of Sweden. It's made by Nina, which actually is Norwegian, but she lives in Sweden, so you can say it's kind of a Norwegian and Swedish soap maybe. The name of this one is Rimfrost, which is a nice mint and eucalyptus scented soap. It has a nice cooling effect to it. I have it soaking here. It's really nice and fresh. Razor is my King C Gillette. It's pretty much the exact same head as the Mule R89, I think. You can see the logo there. It's not my favorite razors. The balance point is a little bit off. It's cool to have in the collection. I prefer the Mule R89 in shave feel, but we're gonna use it. It's a nice razor. I think it's made in zinc alloy. Quite a heavy handle. I don't know what the weight is. I haven't weighted it. Inside we got a 4th use Astra green, and we're gonna do a monster brush tonight from Frank Shaving. This is his Faux horn handle with a 30mm beast of a finest Manchurian badger. It kind of gels a little bit. It's an awesome dense packed brush, I tell you that. Fan shaped, custom made for me. Really cool brush. I really enjoy to use that. If you're looking into some Frank Shaving brushes, you can use my coupon code at checkout and you will save some bucks. That's Fred_shaves, everything in big letters. So we're gonna load up, and this knot is so huge, so I find it, I get my best ladders if I really load it heavy, because a lot of the ladder sits inside the knot, so we're gonna load it up like crazy. Laugar of Sweden is really good quality soaps. They have really good post shave to them, good ingredients, and they're all vegan based. Yeah, no tallow in them. So they are made in Sweden by Nina, who is from Norway, as I said. Starts out a little bit foamy, but I can assure you it turns into a beautiful lather, and the soaps are really easy to work with. That's more than enough. Load it into that knot. Gonna get some cold water on the face. Several good artisanal soaps from Sweden. This is without doubt one of them. This creates kind of I won't say it's a low structure lather, it's more of a lather with some volume to it, but it's super slick, super cushiony, and it feels really nice on the skin. And this is a giant knot to lather with, so I will probably get lather pretty much everywhere. It's without doubt the biggest brush in my collection. Oops. Get back on there, please. Thank you. So yesterday we were crazy hot here. Almost no wind chill, high humidity, and around 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So super hot. Today we've been in the just below 90, cloudy a lot of the day, and a little bit of wind chill, and not so much humidity in the air, so it's been better. I'm gonna start adding water. This is nice looking already. And with this brush it's fast, don't add too much water because it absorbs so much of it. It's so densely packed. So just dip the tips ever so slightly, a little bit at a time, and paint in. And you can see the flow through works a charm. It's a giant brush. Really nice amount of backbone. Super soft, but it gives a nice scrubby massage. Okay, this needs more water, that's for sure. It's a nice amount of menthol in this soap. Yeah, you can see it lathers up all my face. It's not the easiest knot if you are sporting a beard. Oops. Lather every bloody where. I'm really enjoying this knot. It builds lather like crazy. You can see I have worked my way through the paste again on the right side. Gonna do the same on the left. Oof. And it just builds, look at that creamy, awesome lather, really nice shine to it. Let's roll. Lather is starting to feel a little bit more loosely, easily moving around my face, and you can see it's trying to escape the brush. So we are approaching. But we are not there yet. I'm just gonna put on a little bit on the tap because it's easier to dip this big brush under the tap than in my brush soaker. It's so huge. Okay. Just a little break there to clean things up before I have lather all over my shirt. I need to stop taking new clean t-shirts before my shaves, that's for sure. Alright. Back to the tap again. Just ever so slightly running with water. at that goodie. This is just a lather explosion. I can't describe it in any other way. Oh, that's an awesome sheen. This is superb, and as you can see, it's not a really super low structure lather, but it's super creamy. And it's really slick and dense. Oof, and I have a nice cool sensation on my face right now. It's really awesome. I'm just washing my hands because it was so slippy of lather. Oh, brilliant soap. Whew. Okay, shaving in cold water as always. 1 day of growth. Let's go. This is a super mild razor, by the way. I feel it's a little bit different than the Muller R89. This lather could have taken more water. You can see it's not falling off even if I flick the razor. But it's super slick and it feels super nice and cushiony on the skin. Lots of residual slickness. I think they sell Laugar of Sweden at Pasteur's over in New York. I'm pretty sure. And I also think Nina is shipping internationally. I think she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe different soaps, shaving soaps, and she also makes dish soap, probably hand soap, body soap and such as well. It's ecological eco-friendly. I also like the packaging, really nice tins. With I think it's 150 grams of soap, 125, sorry, so quite a lot. Mm. 125 grams of soap will last you a long time. Really nice cooling sensation now on my face. I will say it's a fair 5 in how cold it feels on a scale from 1 to 10. Really fresh, summery, super nice. Even if you're not a big fan of menthol, I think you would like this. It's a nice balance. Look, can you see how dense that lather is? It's super creamy. If I'm blinking, I'm a little bit struggling with my contact lenses. I just fall asleep before the shave and the contact lenses went kind of dry. Should probably have taken some eye drops to moisture them up, but I'll do it later. I'll do it later, alligator. Ooh, the menthol is really kicking in now on the third pass, or third lather. Feels so nice, this brush. The finest Manchurian Badger knots from Frank Shaving are really, really good. They just have, for me, the perfect balance between backbone and softness. They are super nice. Okay, we're on to the third and final pass. Feeling super nice against the grain. Super smooth. Really good. Lather is a touch dry now on the third pass, but it's still plenty slick, so it's still really good. Really good residual thickness. You can see that film, that's only residual thickness, is quite awesome actually. Oh yeah, I'm going for the BBS, baby. Wow. Oh man, I'm really pushing it now. We're gonna stop there because I know I'm chasing the dragon now, but we can't see any blood is spilled as of yet. So I will stop right there. This is super close. That's easily the closest shave in a long time. Gonna wash off with cold water. This splash will burn. Ooh, my chin and cheek seriously feels like the surface of a glass. That's super duper close. I really get my chin that close. And we're gonna go for the good burning stuff. This is Osage rub, really nice on a hot summer day. And actually it's really nice year round for me. I really like it. It has not had a very lingering scent. Smells kind of medicine-y, eucalyptus-y scent. A really high menthol alcohol content. Oh yeah, that's a burn. Oh. And this is not like a hyper modern artisan splash with a lot of skin food and such in it. So I will use a balm, but let's see first how much lather is left in the knot. A little bit watery as well. Look at that creamy stuff. Gonna wash it out down here. That was a bloody cold shave. And a really close one. This is a super dense knot, so it will require some work to get all clean. but I will use that time and make sure my knots are really clean before I set them to dry. I want to get rid of every bits of soap scum inside that knot. I'm really surprised how that shave ended. Oh. The mantle is starting to get into my eyes. Oops. We're gonna do some good stuff for Balm tonight. This is Skin Balm from Elysian. Awesome stuff. And as I say every time I use this, I wish Shannon would make a mentholated version of it. That came out a lot there. This is propped with skin food. Wow, I'm really satisfied with how close my chin is right now. I rarely get this close. Good blade and razor combo there. Way too much balm as well. Feels a little greasy right now, but it soaks in about a couple of minutes or so. And I could probably use half the amount that I did. So that's all me to blame. Alright peeps, that's me done and dusted. Wonderful shave tonight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, goodbye.